Happy morning everybody. Look what's popped up in the stable yard. This, my darlings, is Prunella Grandiflora. And what a grand little flora it is. This is the gardener's version of Self-Heal. If I put my hand near it, you'll see it actually is completely garden worthy. Now, I quite understand that as a gardener, you'd look at Self-Heal and the tiny size of it, and it wouldn't really be noticed in your borders if you had it. So I do understand that a gardener needs a little bit more. Just look at these flowers. Perfect, beautiful. Now they are kind of like Self-Heal on steroids. They do set seed. That's how they've reached me here. Obviously some seed must have blown off from the seed dispensary, which is just over there. So they've joined the naughty rogue baby sea holly. They've also joined, I've noticed this year, completely self-seeded. This is Eupatorium. I've yet to discover quite which Eupatorium. It's either going to be maculatum or cannabinum. I'm erring on the side of maculatum. But no, I didn't plant it. And yes, the stable yard planting is growing. Nothing to do with me. I wish I could take the credit for it, but that would be telling fibs. So there you have it. Nothing I can do, and nothing I want to do.